I'm Martha with Oyster Bae, and I'm going to show you how to shuck an oyster. So the top or the flat part of the shell needs to be facing up, and then the cup is going to be facing down. And then here is where we're going to enter the oyster. This is called the hinge. So first you're going to take your knife and you're going to enter it into the hinge of the oyster and apply a little bit of pressure. Big mistake that people make is applying too much pressure, which can break the hinge and also cause you to slip and to stab yourself. So once the knife is secure in the hinge, you want to try to turn it almost like a key and pop the shell open like so. So the oyster is connected to the shell to be able to close it tightly on the top and the bottom. And a really good tip, at least that helps me and when I'm showing people to shuck, is to take a moment to look and see where the adductor muscle is and where the oyster is connected. And so when you open the oyster, you're going to slide the knife here down the top of the shell carefully. You don't want to cut the belly. That's a huge no-no. And so the bottom, you want to slide right here to disconnect it from the bottom part of the shell, like so. And there you go. And it should be able to move freely like that. You don't want to ever see people fighting with the oyster, trying to get it out of the shell. That's never a good time.